Hello everyone, welcome back to Logging Edge channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Twitter in your laptop. For that, first of all, you need to click on the start button over here. Then you need to click open the Microsoft Store. You click on Microsoft Store. Once you click open the Microsoft Store, you need to click on the search bar over here and then you type in Twitter. Then tap on enter. This will show you the search result for the Twitter. You can see the Twitter application over here. You click on it. Now here on the Twitter application, you need to click on install, and with that the downloading process for the Twitter will begin. There you can see the line of downloading process of Twitter application. The application has been installed. Now you click on launch, and with that you have downloaded the Twitter application for your laptop. Now if you go back to your desktop, you will be able to see a Twitter icon or Twitter shortcut on your desktop. So this is how you can download and install the Twitter application for your laptop. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Edge channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.